Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal video edit on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your videos, go to cutout and select auto cutout, and I'm just going to make sure it's clear. Okay, I don't think the dog will be included, but that's okay. Add in your default text here, and I'm just going to type in the word walking. And I'm going to make it like a little bit wonky like this because that's the direction they're heading. Also going to adjust the font size, and I am going to also change the font. You don't have to. Let's see. You can also add in like colors or like effects if you want to, like this one. Might change the shadow to more green. There you go. You're going to then right click, create compound clip, and you're going to put it underneath the video that we cut out. So I'm just going to move it around like that. Okay. I'm going to scale it down just a little bit more. Place it here. Then go to mask and select split and split it this way. And you're going to start here. Add a keyframe. And then whenever the person kind of like walks, you're going to move the like line like slowly. Then again. Then here again, until you've revealed the whole thing. It is very tedious, so just gonna remind you that right now. Okay, and that's it really. Super simple. Hopefully you don't have another subject because it is harder to do, but yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!